God. It just be a mess in here when I be trying to do some makeup. Dummy proofed. Oh my God, it's so dummy proofed. It's perfect for Jasmine. What it do, y'all? Y'all back with another vlog. But y'all already know what it is. Before we get into this vlog, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. And make sure y'all follow up on Instagram and TikTok at Jasmine You Love. Yes. Alright, so y'all, we're gonna get into this very basic makeup tutorial. Okay, so y'all, this is how I do my makeup. I am no makeup artist. I don't know how products are used for real. I just go with what I'm used to and what kind of looks right on me, period. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all the products that I use first, and then I'm gonna get into like how I kind of do my makeup. So first, I literally go to the beauty supply store and get any kind of eyeliner, like just black eyeliner. So that's what I use. You see it's kind of down, sweating up. So yeah, I be using this. This is like my everyday. Like I use this and my mascara every day. So this mascara, I really don't know who it's by. It literally just says mascara. So it's Mega Length Mascara. There you go. So I use this, got this from, I want to say TJ Maxx, and then I got this one too. It says 3 times a volume mascara. It's by Beauty Evolved. So I use these for my mascara. I use NYX foundation, say can't stop, won't stop. I love NYX products. This is like my favorite type of products, to be honest with you. I don't know why. I think it's just because it's convenient. Like I can get it from anywhere and it's not very expensive. But I do use their foundation. I use, let's see, NYX concealer. So I use this one. Y'all, please don't mind my nails. They need to be done so bad. I have a few brushes in here as well. And then, I don't really use it, but I have the NYX matte bronzer too. And then I use the e.l.f. highlight. This is some messy stuff, but I use the e.l.f. highlighter, whatever. Shimmer highlighting powder. There you go. And I use the NYX eyebrow pencil. It is called Micro Brow Pencil by NYX. And I use espresso all the time. And then, so y'all, let me tell y'all. I told y'all I don't do makeup. I told y'all I don't do makeup at all. So I went to, where did I get this from? Ross. And I got this freaking whole little makeup brush set, right? So it came like this. This is the box. It's by Ultimate, well, it says Ultimate Brush Set, 12-piece makeup brush set. It's by Uncoming Cosmetics. So I got this, and it literally is dummy proofed. Oh my God, it's so dummy proofed. It's perfect for Jasmine. So they have like the powder brush, the contour brush, foundation brush, tapered brush, angled brow brush, eyeshadow brush, eyeliner brush, blending brush, tweezers, eyelash curler, and beauty sponges. So it came with 2 beauty sponges. But y'all, let me tell y'all. So on the brush, it says the name. Oh my God, how perfect is that? See, this one says tapered brush, eyeliner brush, blending brush, eyeshadow brush, angled brow brush. Like, it is perfect. So it came with this black sponge, and then it came with this black and white sponge. So this is the powder brush. And then I have my foundation brush. But this is just so perfect for me because I don't know which brush is which, and I don't know how to use it right, and it just be a mess in here when I be trying to do some makeup. So I literally always start with my brows. I just kind of I take my NYX eyebrow pencil and you start from the middle. Right underneath. Alright, so I know right now they look a little crazy. Alright, so after that, I use my concealer, and I don't usually use the brush. I actually use like a very small, like little edge brush. And I usually just put some on there, and then I usually put it right in the corner and go around the edges of your eyebrow. But you want to make it like a sharp edge kind of around your eyebrow. And then for like this, it depends on if you want your eyebrows like square or if you want them like curved. I like mine curved, so I kind of go in the corner and just go around like that. And then you just do the other one. You want to try to get them to where they're the same size. So like to me, this one is thicker than this one, so I'm gonna thin this one out a little bit. Alright, then once you do that, and it will thin out, like you can kind of like play with it a little bit, but it's gonna thin out, don't even worry about it. Alright, so next I use my little sponge and I just kind of like dab around it to like get all the, not gook, but like if it's like kind of caked on or something like that, I just want to kind of even it out. Don't touch your eyebrows though, just the concealer. Once I do that, I put the concealer right here. I think I literally just do this because I see other girls do it. I feel like it's supposed to be right. I don't know. But then they be putting like this little powder stuff right there. So look, I don't know. I do what works for me. Kind of get them bags up out of there, you know, or the dark spots, not dark spots, but like the dark circles around your eyes. That's kind of what I do it for. That's who I do it for. All right, do that, and then I take the same sponge and kind of just dab around it. Don't wipe it, just dab it. So then you kind of like looking like that. Great. I like that. And we back just like that. All right. Alright, y'all, so I'll take my foundation and okay, I don't know. Take my foundation and I usually shake it up, of course. I probably should have shook it up with the top on, but and I do a few pumps on my hand. Anytime now. There we go. And I take my foundation brush and I just dab it on there. And then put it on my face. So I usually like squeeze the brush and get in between my eyebrows so I don't mess them up. And then like over top of my eyelid. So that nothing looks choppy. And then you do the forehead. And I always like kind of round it out over my eyebrows and under my eyebrows so that you don't see like all the concealer and stuff. We ain't got time for all of that. We ain't got time for that. Make sure you get your little mustache. You know, we got the little stash, the hint of a stash. Alright. Y'all, don't mind my dogs. They always messing up my vlogs. So that's kind of like the basic look. Then after that, I literally just take my eyeliner and just go under the eye. So I take my mega length and I literally just do my lashes to enhance them because I already got eyelashes. My lashes ain't bold, y'all. My lashes ain't bold, y'all. I know I be looking ugly. Every time I do my makeup, my boyfriend come in and be like, he said that's how I be looking. Then I take the other one. Uh-oh. Oh. Alright, take the other one. And I just kind of like go up a little bit more. I feel like this one is more so for the bottom lash. Alright, then I usually take my little matte bronzer, if I use it. Yeah, my eyes messing with me right now. And just kind of go with the cheek. And this is what it looks like. So it's not like doing too much. And then after that, I take my e.l.f. This stuff messy as I don't know what. Good Lord. Maybe because I dropped it and it broke. So it's in shambles right now. And I just put a very little bit on the cheek. And on the other cheek. And the nose. The forehead. The upper lip. And the chin. This really for like if I'm going out, but I am going out tonight, so yeah. And then literally like the last thing that I do is I got this little liquid. I can't get it out. There we go. I use this little liquid stuff. It's called liquid eyeliner. And like I got a few little moles. So I have a few moles, but I don't be wanting all, like I got freckles. So I don't know if you can see, but like they right here. Then I got like one right here. Like they're freckles. So I just take this little liquid eyeliner and I usually do this one. Just kind of like to enhance it. See? That's the only one I really do. I don't be doing all of them. I don't be doing all that. But you can always use this to, if you want some little freckles or something like that, then there you go. Alright, so the very last thing I do, I take my NYX lip pencil. And it is brown. What color is this? Espresso. Another espresso. And I go around my lips. So this is definitely my go-to. I be wanting to try like other lip colors, but I feel like I don't like getting disappointed, so I just stick with what I know because I don't have time to be buying stuff and then I don't like it. So this is the NYX. This is Fortune Cookie. Definitely my favorite one. Definitely the one that I use all the time. Anytime I go out, this is what I use. It's a gloss. It's not matte. But it's just a very chill, conservative look. I'm very conservative. I don't be doing too much. That's the look. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If y'all have any tips or tricks, please comment below because I would love to know them because I don't know makeup. But this is my very basic makeup tutorial. I think it looks cute. It's me. That's what I wear when I go out, and that's just what it is. I will see y'all in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. I love y'all. Bye.